welcome back to my channel. I'm currently at the international airport of Netaji Subhash and we are traveling to Phuket. This is my second time to Thailand. Previously when I went I couldn't vlog because I was not so experienced back then, but now that I am, we are going to vlog and show you around the areas of Phuket and Krabi, so stay tuned. So since we have booked the Air Asia Premium Flex category, that is why we are sitting absolutely in the first seat, and food is also complimentary, but we are not in the mood to eat. Our first stop will be the Don Muang Bangkok Domestic Airport, and from there we will move towards Phuket. It is 22nd of December and you have to stop and take a layover at the Bangkok airport if you want to fly to Phuket, because there are no direct flights from Kolkata to Phuket. So we had a good 4-hour layover in Bangkok, and this Dong Muang airport is extremely pretty. So we are heading towards the immigration right now, and after we are done we will be catching our next flight to Phuket. Absolute gorgeous Christmassy vibes all around. So many excellent architecture in and around the airport, but right now I am hungry and I'm heading to Bonchon's to enjoy this delicious sticky rice and fried chicken meal. We are now all set to board our second flight to Phuket, and from Phuket we will be going via road to Krabi, which is approximately a distance of around 2.5 hours. You can pre-book your taxi like I have done from India, so that I can directly just get down and take my luggage and just move towards Krabi. If you have not yet booked your taxi, there are multiple options from airport from where you can book your own ride to Krabi. That details I'll be showing you once I land. Stay tuned. Finally landed at the Phuket International Airport, and we are waiting for our car to arrive so that we can reach Krabi. We have booked our car from Alex Cab Services Phuket. Expectedly they'll be good. How they are gonna be, I'll review after I reach Krabi. Stay tuned. We have stopped at a place. I don't know exactly the location of this place, but I have a 7-Eleven behind me from where we grabbed some quick ready-to-eat lunch, and this is the gorgeous backdrop of this 7-Eleven. We also have very clean washrooms over here by the road, free of cost to be used. So quickly grabbed some snacks and lunch, which is ready to eat. Total it costed us 397 bahts. So we'll have our food and we'll head towards Krabi. Our first hotel in Krabi, which is the Deevana Plaza. I have booked this hotel via Agoda and I got a real nice deal. Like in Indian currency, I was paying like 4,000 or 4,500 for 3 people per day, which is quite cheap compared to this peak season. But if you keep on checking on Agoda, you can actually crack a good deal. And the hotel looks very beautiful because of all the Christmas decorations. And what I heard from the reception is that there are 4 towers. We will be checking into tower 2, but come, I will show you around the whole hotel property. It's 5:05 right now. We have come out of our hotel and we are strolling, and we are going to the Aonang beach in expectation of a magical sunset which Thailand claims of. Let's see if we can catch one, and if I catch one, then definitely I'm going to share it on with you. Whatever I get it, I will definitely share it with you guys. Aonang beach was just 800 meters from our hotel, which was like a quick 10 minutes walk. So I was enjoying the surreal view. And before heading to the beach, I thought of having some iced tea. So my mother and I have ordered iced tea, and my father is going to have a mango shake. I'll see you at the beach. Sitting at the Aonang beach currently, watching the sunset and just sipping on some iced tea. If this is not life, I don't know what is. There are innumerable restaurants on the road that leads to the Aonang beach. You can check in any one of them and enjoy their delicious food. We are going to try out some seafood and Italian food for dinner. I will end my day 1 journey of Krabi, Thailand over here. I will see you in my next episode with lots of adventure, fun and frolic. Till then, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye bye. Take care.